Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today we've got another one-take bag review and some other shenanigans. Let's talk about my favorite little crossbody bag. Now, I just made a video where I said that the Green Room 136 Sidekeep was my favorite crossbody bag. For this, I'm talking about sling bags, like truly across your chest crossbody bags, right? And so in this case, what we're talking about is the CamelChops Mr. Trigger Season 2. Come on now. Interesting stuff. So look at this. This is a bag I've shown you before. It's not actually the bag we're going to be talking about today, but I had to bring it out because, bear with me here, we're going on a journey. First, I got this bag, and it is in this Hallie Stevenson's wax canvas from the UK, and it is just gorgeous. But then I discovered this. Now, what is this, you may ask? Well, regular viewers of the channel will recognize this as the Drake Sling from CamelChops. CamelChops, right here. Remember, CamelChops is from the UK. Wayne is making bags out in Scotland, and he is crushing it. He's making some beautiful bags. Look at this thing. So we looked at this bag together. We saw this bright blue interior, this multicam black, the AquaGuard zippers, like totally baller. Then we opened it up and we saw the teal with the multicam, with the orange. Really cool bag. Really cool bag, right? So, some awesome stuff going on with this beautiful Drake Sling, but I had some recommendations because the Drake, he stopped making. And so I had some recommendations about how the Drake could be better. I said, if you'll remember, man, this affixed strap, that's not as good as the strap on the Mr. Trigger, which is removable on both sides with these fid locks. Like, that is something I missed for sure. And then I also said, man, this bag has so much personality, but I'm missing the story of CamelChops. Now, I'm not missing the logo of CamelChops. Like, the logo of CamelChops is here for sure. But I'm missing the story of CamelChops. Like, this is from Wayne in Scotland. And it came all the way across the UK, and it's a handcrafted product. And I'm just missing that. And so, your boy got a new bag. Wayne and CamelChops produced the Drake again. The Drake is back. Guess who's back? The Drake is back again. Tell a friend. Look at this. It's gorgeous. So I was able to get this sling, but in this material, and this material is the best bag making material in the known universe. This is that cumin waxed canvas from Hallie Stevenson. It is gorgeous. What I've done here, though, just so you know, this sucker did not come with it. This came on my Mr. Trigger, the silencer. I just slapped it on here because I like the look. I think it looks really good, but it does have this hook and loop. This is the bag we're talking about today. So this is bagception, right? We started at this bag, then we went to this bag. Now we're talking about this bag. This is the bag that we're talking about today. This is the Drake Reborn from CamelChops, from Scotland, straight out of Scotland. So, exterior review first. In our one-take bag review, you can see that it does have the same beautiful AquaGuard, which really pops against this cumin wax canvas. This wax canvas is, as I said earlier, the best bag-making material in the known universe. There's a couple of companies out there using it right now, and man, oh man, hopefully with more use, the price continues to drop because it is gorgeous. Sea Tactical has used it, Azo Equipment uses it, Evergoods is using it, CamelChops is using it. Let's get more people using it because it literally is the best. It feels incredible, just incredible. This is, by the way, they produce tons. Like, if you go look at their website, they produce tons of different varieties of the wax canvas. This is the Alchemy version in the cumin. It's a C4X wax. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Okay. So, other things that you should know about this bag. Number one, look, he did it. He did the thing that I said he should do, which was a thing, and it's great, and it's the tech strap, and it's on both sides with the fid lock, and it's fantastic. Fits that much better, and it fits larger torsos, which is a good thing, okay? not because I have a large torso. I guess I do have a large torso in the grand scheme of things. Yeah, okay. So it fits me better with my large torso. So check this out. It's just gorgeous. Time for the interior review. By the way, he didn't go, and he never goes, with the shiny nylon. And that on a tight crossbody is actually the way to go. I like the shiny nylon, the seatbelt nylon. I like that for my crossbody kind of satchel style that carry down at your side, because that can slide around a little bit. But this is a little grippier, and it's actually a little bit better to keep a true crossbody chest bag in place. And that's where this really excels. This bag, the Drake, is an incredible chest bag. Like, incredible. It feels awesome. All right, let's get into this thing. I want to show you the loadout. We'll open it up here, and you will see the first change. Look at this. Scotland through and through. Gorgeous. Look at that tartan. We got some tartan buildup. We need to brush better. We got some tartan buildup inside this pocket. It is fantastic. So what's in here? I put my flashlight in here. This is a bamboo brass Olight. I love this thing. I don't think they make it anymore, but I love this thing. And then, of course, I've got the Colonel Ichabod Conch mustache comb, which you all know. That's the best mustache comb in the entire industry. Look at this new mug I got, by the way. Colonel Ichabod Conch, tonsorial artistry for the fashionable gentleman. Love it. Love it. Love it. Couldn't love it more. All right. We'll zip that up, and we'll go to the main compartment, the main event, and we've got Magenta X-Pack, because, of course, inside here, got a fidget toy. I've got some Purell. I've got on a stretchy, look, this is another upgrade. Stretchy key leash. I've got my AirPods. Got my wallet. A lot of people ask what this wallet is. It's from Rustic Heirloom. It's the Hitchhiker wallet, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. All right, and then I've got my favorite wallet. This is my favorite pocket knife. Fantastic stuff. A little cheapy one from Amazon. Love this thing. But great pocketing. And this is stretch mesh, ultra stretch. Really nice, well made. And then on the back, you've got this pocket that runs, it's like an unnecessarily large pocket. It runs the whole length of the bag, which is really cool. And in here, more tartan. Tartan and magenta. CamelChops would be crazy, and I love it. And then I've got strapped down in here my favorite little battery backup. All right, so this bag is truly fantastic. Like, this thing is an absolute joy to use. Compared to this bag, which is also a joy to use, it's just a little tighter. So you can see here that the Mr. Trigger chops off about ya, which means you got about much. So you got like one pocket knife difference here in length of the bag, same height of the bag. This bag is thicker. So this bag is more rectangular, of course, in shape. Now, what does that allow me to carry? Fingerless gloves, a thicker power bank, a coelacanth. That's pretty important. So if you have not heard about the coelacanth, this guy was rediscovered, and they thought he was extinct like millions and millions and millions of years ago. But then they found some coelacanths down by Australia. So yeah, so important to tell the story of the coelacanth. Titanium spork. Wait a minute. Is it a spork if it's spoon on one side and fork on the other side? Is that still a spork? Anyway, it's a utensil. Pocket knife, pen, udder wallet, and we've got a different stretchy cord here. But you can see in this version of the Drake earlier, it was just, what do we call this, paracord? Is this paracord? Anyway, it's just cord. This one's elastic, and this one is the best of the bunch. This really thick elastic. Very cool stuff. All right, so beautiful. Oh, look at this, by the way. Just found out Colonel Ichabod Conk has a white, longer mustache comb. It's not as good. This mustache comb is still better. All right. So I guess the difference is the volume of the bag more than anything, and the shape that you like to carry. So let's talk about how much can fit in this bag. And to do so, we're going to bring in a new co-star into the show, Polar Sunset, which is the best soda in the entire universe. I'm going to show you in clear demonstration here that the Mr. Trigger is 3 Polar Sunsets big. And that's an important unit of measurement, I think. Over here, how many fit in the Drake? Is it 3? It's more of a 2 Sunset bag. And you can see shape-wise here, yeah, that's what we're looking at. By the way, you're going to be seeing quite a bit of Polar Sunset on the channel because this is my favorite soda. Drank it growing up in Germany. It was called Spezi over in Germany. It's a cola with orange soda mixed in and some lemon vanilla situation going on. It is incredible. And I drink the crap out of this stuff. So they just brought it to the US. Try it. Link in the video description as always. Okay. Amazing stuff. Wow. Wayne, this bag is so baller. I mean, it is great. I've carried this for 2 days now, and I'm going to be carrying it for a while. My Mr. Trigger is going to be kind of mad, honestly, because I think I'm going to be ignoring Mr. Trigger for a bit in favor of the Drake. I mean, the Drake is just such a fantastically cool bag. I mean, it just is. Look at this sucker. All right, everybody, we did it. We got another cool bag made. The Drake returns, and it returns with all kinds of really great additions. I highly recommend, if you have not purchased a bag yet from CamelChops, you got 2 great options. Mr. Trigger and the Drake. I prefer both. Honestly, they're great bags. Great bags. These are the 2 tight kind of wear across your chest crossbody bags that I prefer more than any in my collection. And they're kind of right there with the side keep and the quick draw in terms of my most used small bags. Love these suckers. Love the company. Love the aesthetic. Love the customization, because I forgot to say, you can customize it. You can choose exterior fabrics. You can choose interior fabrics. I mean, it's just so fun. So fun. So fun. All right. Everybody, thanks as always for the love and the support. Really appreciate you showing up week after week after week after week and talking bags with me. Remember that you can join me over at the subreddit, The Perfect Bag on Reddit, for even more bag discussion. Thanks as always, everybody, for the love and support. I think I already said that. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.